Hello, guys. What I'm gonna do today, tonight, I'm going to sing song I dedicate to my mom, and this song is very, very good song. Those people having a mama there, out there, everywhere, love your mama the best you can. Do the best you can. I don't have a mama no more, but I'm gonna sing these songs for you, my mama. I'm gonna show you guys. See, this is my mama. She passed away 2021. Is that 21, right? This is my mama. The best mama I have. The song is for you, mama. And for all the mamas there, out there. I'm not a good singer, but I like to sing the song. There you go. Love you, mama. This is for you. Must have been colder in my shadow. Never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That you wait. You always walk a step behind. I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. Beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. Mom, might have a place you go and taste, but I've got it all here in my heart. Want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You were the wind beneath my wings. You were the wind beneath my wings. See? That's for my mama. I practiced early, guys. That is the second time I sang it, because the first time I can't help it. I get tears, so, and I hope you guys like it. And that's more for my mama song. Before I go to work, I talk to her. When I come home in the morning, I talk to her. That's all I have, a picture. But I know she's with me.